Welcome to CataList. In this video, we'll show you where to find full previews of children's books and how publishers can upload them through the CataList FTP. If you want to supply interior images, teacher's guides, excerpts of a book, or other supplemental content, those files are uploaded through the BiblioShare FTP. Take a look at our other tutorial, linked in the description below, for more information. Let's get started by logging in at bnccatalyst.ca. To view the full previews, you must have access to a verified trade account, such as a library or retail account. If you're a publisher, you'll only see the previews for your own titles. In order to upload full book previews, your titles must already be on CataList, and you must have credentials for the CataList FTP. If you're unsure of your credentials, contact us at catalyst@booknetcanada.ca. If a publisher has provided a preview for a title, you can view it on the title detail page or in the catalog scrolling view. In the scrolling view, open the content preview section and find the View the Full Book button. You can find it above any available interior images. If you don't see the button, that means the publisher hasn't made the preview available for that forthcoming title. On the title detail page, you can find the View the Full Book button under the cover image. Click this button on either page to launch the preview. Larger previews may take more time to load. At this time, the full book preview tool is optimized for picture books. While viewing a full book preview, you can navigate through the pages, set your viewing preferences, and zoom in and out of the content. It's important to note that you can't download or print the full book previews. They're only available when you're logged into CataList on a desktop. Full book previews will remain available to verified trade accounts until the book's publication date. After the publication date, the full book preview will expire. Now that we know where to find the full previews, let's take a look at how you as a publisher can upload previews for your own children's books. To upload a full book preview for your titles, you will need access to a PDF version of the preview that you want to load, credentials for the CataList FTP, and an FTP client software such as FileZilla, which we will use in this tutorial. The title must be listed on CataList before you begin. It can be available either to the public or limited to the trade accounts, but it must be associated with your publisher account in order for you to provide the full preview. Click the publisher logo on the title detail page to confirm that the title is associated with your publisher account. The logo should take you to your publisher landing page. Once you've performed these initial steps, it's time to transfer your files. For this tutorial, we'll use FileZilla, but you may use any FTP client software that your business supports. If you're using a different software, the steps might not be exactly the same as what you see here, but they should be very similar. First, fill in the host, username, and password with the information that the CataList team shared with you. Keep in mind that these credentials are not the same as the ones you might use for the BiblioShare FTP. Those are used to supply publicly available Onyx, interior images, and other supplemental content, and should not be used for full previews. Connect to the CataList FTP. The left side of your screen displays a directory listing for your computer, otherwise known as the local site. The right side of your screen displays a directory listing for the remote site, which is your CataList account's drop-off location. You can use the local directory tree on the left to find the PDF that you wish to upload. Make sure that the file name of the PDF includes the ISBN of the book. We also recommend that your files be no larger than 30 megabytes so that the file loads quickly when it's on CataList. In the remote site, open the full book subdirectory. And now, drag the PDF that you wish to upload into the full book subdirectory. CataList will automatically pull any book previews from the FTP and display them on the platform. It may take up to an hour for your content to appear on CataList. To replace a full book file that you've already supplied, follow the same steps that we've just covered and upload a replacement file. It doesn't need to have the same file name, but it does still need to have the ISBN in the name. The new file will overwrite the old one. As with new files, it can take an hour for the changes to appear. As mentioned before, full previews expire on the publication date. If you wish to remove a full preview from the site before that date, contact the CataList team for assistance. Once the files have had time to upload, you can log into CataList and see your new preview on the site. Want to expand your CataList knowledge? Find links to related tutorial videos in the description below.